अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 24. A conical hole is drilled in a circular cylinder of height 12 cm and radius 5 cm. The height and radius of cone are also same. Find the volume of the remaining cylinder. So let's look at the diagram here. You can see height is 12 cm and radius is 5 cm. So first what we'll do, we'll calculate the volume of the cylinder. Okay, volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So that is pi into 5 square into 12. That's 300 pi. Then let's calculate the volume of the cone, which is 1/3 of this value. Right, 1/3 pi r square h. And that is 100 pi. Basically we have taken out the material of cone from the cylinder. So the remaining material will be volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. 300 pi minus 100 pi. So that's 200 pi. If you put pi is 3.14, you'll get 628 cubic centimeter. That's the remaining volume.